guys, welcome to another unboxing video. So this one is new to me. This is called Judith Joe, and it is a ethically sourced fashion, and they have like an online boutique. I will have the link below. So they have an online boutique that you can shop off of. You know, they pride themselves on being both an ethically sourced company, but also fashionable, because, you know, certain things that might be ethically sourced might be somewhat frumpy, if you will. So they pride themselves on being both. So they have what's called a grab bag, and for just, I think it was 50 or 60 bucks a month. I'll have better details at the end of this video. They send you 3 items that are yours to keep. So that's always risky. I've done a few boxes where they send you things that are yours to keep recently. I've been doing it with the Natalie Attired Celebration Collection, which is extended to May 15 if you want that. So I'm kind of on board with trying it right now because, you know, it's a good deal that you get so many pieces for an affordable price. You know, typically what's like one thing off a Stitch Fix, you actually get 3 pieces here. Anyways, let's get into it. I've been really excited. This box has been sitting here for a couple of days and I have looked horrible, so I haven't been able to film it until I finally, you know, did something with this. So, okay, so you open up the box and there you go, and it says, "Hi Jennifer," on the sticker. Hello, Judith and Joe. So let's dive in. So they say, "Thanks for letting us style you. If something we picked isn't quite right, here are 3 ideas. 1, gift the item to a friend. 2, donate the item to charity of your choice. Or 3, return it to us for a $15 store credit." So they want, and if you want to return it for the store credit, you can email them and get a prepaid label. And here is a bag that it would go on. So there you go. And a sticker. That might go on my guitar. I have a guitar where I have a bunch of stickers, so if I like this might make it to the guitar. Okay, so here we go. First off, we have a denim shirt by Etika, and these will probably be new brands, which is exciting. It's like a chambray type shirt, if that's pronouncing correctly, kind of a shorter shirt, which is, you know, obviously this style right now. Okay, so one cool thing is there's a tag here that gives you all the information on how they are using less resources. I'll hold that up to you guys so you can see. And then even on the other side, this particular card says, "Hi, guess what? I'm made from seeds. Plant, water me. I'll grow something beautiful for you. Carrots, chia, clover flower, or a cloud flower." So I could plant this. That's cool. Anyways, so cute shirt. I don't have any chambray type or denim shirts, so, you know, we'll see how that goes. Next up, this is just a nice loose flowy tank. This is by the brand US Blanks. It's actually a medium, which, you know, is a little surprising, but then I see how tiny this thing is. To me, this is kind of more like a swimsuit cover-up or a workout top, but I think it's super cute, so I can see myself actually working out in that. Then last up, we have, what are you? Is this a skirt? This is by Natural by Known Supply, and these are a pair of pants. So black with these brown stripes, kind of a dress pant, has pockets on it. They say this collection is made from organic and natural fibers that are good for you and the world you live in. And then it says, "Stop guessing where your clothing comes from. Let us show you. We want to introduce you to the person who made this garment." So there is her picture. So thank you very much. All right, so I'm excited. I like these pieces. I like these pants a lot. I mean, I genuinely would wear these to work or church or around the house because they look super comfy. So they're cute and comfy and dressy. I like that combination. So I'm pleased. I'm pleased with these pieces, but let's get them on. Let's see how they fit. Okay, here we go. Here is all 3 pieces on. And let's go ahead and talk about the pieces. All right, so let's start at the bottom actually. Okay, so the pants are super, super comfortable. Really like these. Very, very comfortable. And I feel like it's an awesome way to be wearing a dress pant and a sweat pant all at once. That's Frank. He's the one whose cat feet were in my last Stitch Fix video. Very cute cat feet. Anyways, so my only issue with these is that, and again, you're probably not going to be able to see this well on camera, is the pockets don't lay super flat, so there's just kind of like this outline of pocket. So that's not a great look. I'd almost want to take an iron to it to just kind of try to flatten that out. But the pants fit great. They're high-waisted, so they go up to a good spot, and then I think they are a great fit and a great feel, and I will be wearing these a lot for working from home. So the shirt here, and I almost feel like I would wear it like a jacket like this. It's a little bit big and boxy on me, and that was probably the intention. It was, because I know that this is kind of the style, the cropped boxy look. I'm just not a huge cropped boxy person, so I like it, but I'm not like over the moon for it. So what do you guys think of this? I'd really be interested in your opinions of this. And then the tank is, works well for this kind of outfit. It's actually a really great layering tank. So originally I said, I'd only wear it while working out, which is true for if I wear it by itself. It would be kind of a workout tank, but I think it's a really great layering piece, and so I would easily throw jackets on over it, and I think that's cute. So here's the look of the tank, and 360, although my hair's probably in the way. So cute tank, cute pieces. I'm pretty happy with my first box. It is renewed for next month, so I will be trying this at least one more time. So let's do a quick little wrap up. I will give you guys the details of the service because I did look that up. Okay, guys, just so to give you some details on the service, and I'm still wearing the pieces because I plan on just wearing them for the day today. So, okay, to give you guys more details on the service. Okay, so this grab bag by Judith and Joe is a monthly grab bag, and it ships out between, I think, the 1st and the 7th day of the month, and you have to be signed up for it by the 25th if you want the following month. So basically, if you want to have a box shipped out for you in the beginning of May, you need to be signed up by April 25th. Now, it is $69 if you just order one box, but if you prepay for 3 months, it's $59 per box. And if you prepay 6 months, it is $49 per box. So I just did the $69. I am renewed for next month, so I'm doing it at least one other month. And then again, the pieces are yours to keep. If you do not want the pieces, you can either, obviously donate, give to a friend, things like that, or send the pieces back and get a $15 store credit, because they're just like an online store as well. So, and I think that's their main focus, is being an online store, but it's like, hey, we also have this grab bag. So if you are interested, I do have a link below. There's no referral anything, but just, like to share with the world. The only other thing I will say is those costs that I gave you include shipping, so there's no extra shipping fee. So I thought my first box I was really happy with. Like I said, I'm wearing this outfit for the rest of the day today, and it's a great deal for $69 including shipping to get these 3 pieces. And so I'm really excited to see what my next box holds. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed, then please subscribe below. And if you are subscribed, then hit the bell notification. Sorry, I gotta say that every time. And by the way, my name is Jen. I think I forget to say that. So thank you for watching. I do all sorts of style, service, fashion unboxing videos. So if you like that, then stick around. All right, hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Bye.